वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरं संदिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभमनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तादुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं
वार्तिकं
प्राहुः
प्राहुः
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया
प्रत्यया
शिवसूत्राणि
शिवसूत्राणि आदेश
आदेशागमस्तथा
आगमास्तथा।
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
गणपाठोपदेशाः
उपदेशाः
प्रकीर्तिताः।
प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
अथ
अथ
तृतीयोऽध्यायः
तृतीयोऽध्यायः
प्रथमः
प्रथमः
पादः
पादः।
प्रत्ययः
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 परश्च
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 आद्युदातश्च
आदुदात्तश्च
आदिदातश्च
अनुदातो सुप्तितौ
अनुदातौ
अनुवत्तौ
सुप्तौ
सुप्पितौ
गुप्तिच्किद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिचिकित्सन्
मान् भददांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान्
मान्
मददांशभ्यो
मददांशान्भ्यो
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातुः
धातोः कर्मणः
कर्मसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां
समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां
वा
वा
सुप आत्मनक्यच
सुप
सुप
आत्मनः
आत्मनः
च
च
काम्यच्च
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 उपमानादाचारे
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 अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाच्चेति वक्तव्यम्।
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुः किं
किं
सलोपश्च
सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रतिपदिके व्यक्तित्वा वक्तव्यः।
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः
भूयिभुः
विवा
वक्तव्यः
वक्तव्यः।
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यक्ष्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो विवेक्ष्विर्लोपश्च हनः
लोहितादिडाद्व्यक्यश
लोहितारिराद्यः किच
कष्टाय क्रमणे
पृष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणोरुमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्ततपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्युद्ममने
शब्दवैरकलहाब्रकन्वमेघेभ्यः
शब्दवीरकलहाभ्रकन्वमेघेभ्यः करणे
कादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
मुखादिभ्यां कर्तृवेदनायां
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहत्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रह्य च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणिङ्
उच्छभाण्डचीराणि
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनवरवस्त्रधलहरतुस्तेभ्यो निच
धातोरेकाजो हलारे ह्रियासमभिहारेयङ्
धातोरेकाचोहलादिक्रियासमविहारेयं
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजबदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
उपसदचरजपदशगृभ्यो भावगर्हायां
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणादूलशोकसेनालोमत्वचमर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यावपाशरूपवीणतुलश्लोकसेन लोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
हेतुमति च
केतुमच्च
कण्ढ्वादिभ्यो यत्
कण्वादिभ्यो युग
गुपोधूपविच्छिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
उपूधूपविच्छिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयङ्
हृदेरीयं
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णिं
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
स्यतासेल्लिटोः
यथासेलिडोः
सिब्बकुलं लेटि
सिब्बहुलं लेटि
कास्प्रत्ययादावमन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादामन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश गुरुमतो नृच्छः
व्यादेश्च गुरुमतो निच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
क्षुभितजागृभ्यो नितरस्यां
बीह्रीभृहुवांश्लुवच्च
बीह्रीबिहुवांश्लुवश्च
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
क्रिञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदान् कुर्वन्त्युन्तरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां प्रियाद्विदामकृण्यति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां क्रियाविरामायां मगः पावयां क्रियाविदान् अकृन्निति छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लीलुनि
श्लेहेसि च
श्लेहेस्य च
शलैकुपधादनिटः सः
क्षलैकुपदा च अनिदः सः
दशालिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
नदृशः
न दृशः
निशीधृतृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
निःश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि च
विभाषाद्धेष्व्योः
भासादेश्व्योः
गुप्तेश्छन्दसि
गुपेच्छन्दसि
जोऽन्तः
ज्योन्तः
अदभ्यस्तात्
अदभ्यस्तात्
आत्मनेपदेषु अनतः
आत्मनेपदेषु नातः
अचोन्त्यादिति
अचोन्त्यादिति
चितात्मनेपदानां तेरे
पित आत्मनेपदानां तेरे
हासस्से
थासस्से
आतो ङितः
आतो नितः
लोपोऽव्योर्बलि
लोपोऽव्योर्बलि
अतो दीर्घो यङि
अतो दीर्घो यङि
नित्यं इतः
नित्यं नितः
इतश्च
इतश्च
तस्थस्थमिपां तान्तन्तामः
तस्थस्थमिपान्तान्तन्तामः
लुङ् लङ् लृङ्क्षु अडुधातः
लुङ्लङ्लुङ्क्षु अर्धातः
आडजादीनाम्
आडजादीनाम्
आटश्च
आटश्च
माङि लुङ्
माङेलुङ्
नमाङ् योगे
नमायोगे
स्मोत्तरे लङ् च
स्मोत्तरे लञ्च
लोटो लङ्वत्
लोटो लङ्वट्
एरुः
एरुः
सेर्ह्यपि च
सेर्ह्यपि च
मेर्निः
मेर्निः
आडुत्तमस्य च
आदुत्तमस्यपि च
आमेतः
आमेतः
सवाभ्यां वामौ
समाभ्यां वामौ
एत ऐ
एत ऐ
तुभ्योस्तातङ्गाशिष्यन्यतरस्याम्
तुह्योस्तातङ्शिष्यान्तरस्याम्
up to that loto langvat, starting from there up to this sutra is lot lakara. The sutra pata, you see, starting from the sutra loto langvat 3485 up to the eta I 93 are the lot lakara pratyaya related sutra of this up to here. Prasmai pada pratyaya adesha, starting from 90 up to 94. Atmanepada pratyaya adesha lot lakara vishaye. And here also we have seen up to this 3 sutra ametaha, right? Etah sthane ekarasya sthane amadeshaha. Ekara comes by titaha atmanepadanam tere, then ye is replaced by am, which is for the pratyaya prathama purusha ekavachanam dvivachanam bhagavachanam and madhyama purusha dvivachanam. 4 pratyayas. Savabhyam vamav is for madhyama purusha ekavachanam and madhyama purusha bhagavachanam. Aduttamasya picha uttama purusha both parasmaipada and atmanepada. This is common for both. This will get atakama uttama purusha and it will be deemed to be with, right? So this already we have seen the sutra in the context of parasmai pada. So we have got ani, ava, ama, right? But in the case of atmanepada, another thing also, and then atakama. What is another thing? This is what we have to see. 3493. Etaha I. Etaha comes by what sutra? Itaha atmanepadanam tere. That by te, that is ye, ekarasya sthane amadesha bhavati. But this is apavada. For uttama purusha, uttamasya atmanepada pratyayasya uttama purusha pratyayasya etaha ekarasya sthane I adeshaha. Right? This apavada to ametaha. Okay, we have seen. From there we have to see. Right? Yes or no? Last class we saw sababhyam mama, up to that we saw. Now etaha what vibhakti? Shashti. Therefore it is
षष्ठ स्थाने
tani. I is the adesha. Where is the vibhakti pratyaya? That vibhakti pratyaya lupta vibhaktikam. Pranil Maharshi, you know, he didn't say I. That vibhakti pratyaya not there. This is prathama vibhakti. Okay. Because it is the adesha. Vibhakti pratyaya not there. I is the adesha. Lotaha uttamasya parasmipadi atmanepadi. Ekara will come for titah atmanepadanam tere. Therefore it is for only for atmanepada pratyaya. Right?
yes
Adhikara sutra we know. Pratyaya parasya dhatoho lasya lakarasya lottakarasya lotaha lasya uttamasya means we have to understand. Etaha sthane I means what etaha uttamasya is atmanepada uttamasya pratyayasya uttamasya एकारस्य स्थाने ऐ आदेशः भवति. दिस् इस् अपवादः टु आमेतः. लोट् सम्बन्धिनः उत्तमपुरुषस्य यः एकारः, एकारः will come only for ततः आत्मनेपदान्ते आत्मनेपदप्रत्यय. Therefore it is understood. Don't look for आत्मनेपद, it is understood. एकारस्य स्थाने यः एकारः तस्य स्थाने ऐ इति अयम् आदेशः भवति. उत्तमपुरुष आत्मनेपद उत्तमपुरुष in the place of ये I will be the आदेशः. So this is अपवाद to आमः अपवाद. What is आमः? आम एतः आमेतः सूत्र is there, right?
Yes.
अपवाद to that. That's what आमः. लोड उत्तमस्य इति वर्तते. अनुवर्ती comes लोड उत्तमस्य. लोड उत्तम संबंधिनः एकारस्य ऐकारादेशः भवति. Yet connected to load in the Uttama Purusha, that is Padatmanepad Pratyaya, right?
Yes.
What happens? Will be not preceded by, will be replaced by, will be replaced by I, not preceded by. Therefore, already we have done Tan Dhatu, we have examples, we have seen Atmanepada Pratyaya, Pratham Purusha we have seen, Madhyama Purusha we have seen. By the Sutra Ametaha and Savabhyam Bhamo. Now Uttama Purusha is left out. Therefore, entire Tan Pratyaya, Tan Dhatu we have done that. Now we will see. Tan plus Lot. Lot Lakara, Uttama Purusha, Ekavachana means it Vagimahi, right? Ta Atam Jam,
Yes.
Ta Atam Jat, Ta Satam Dam, it Vagimahi, it. It what Pratyaya?
Sarvadhataka.
Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare,
Okay.
Katari, Tanadibhyaha, Uhu will come. Uhu is the Ganavikana Pratyaya. So Tan plus U, Tanu. Titahatmane Padanam Tere, by that, E will be replaced by Ye, right? Then Ye, now
Yes.
Bhava Sutra will apply. Etaha I, by that, I will come. After that, tell me. Don't forget.
Yeah.
Atagama
Yes, Sandeep.
comes. Aduttamasya picture. Don't forget, sir. Aduttamasya picture, right? That's for both. Atagama, we have not applied it. Huh? Atagama will come or not? Aduttamasya picture. Don't forget, it will come. So, Atagama. That is Atagama you can do before. But here, the E is replaced by Atmanepadanam is replaced by A and A further by I. That is why Atagama we do it later. This Atagama even before also you can do, but don't join. Huh? Why I am doing it is, suppose if you do Atagama here, then A plus E will become A.
A.
Then you will replace that A by I. Then what about Tita Atmanepadanam Tere? So, anyway, the Atagama to be added to the Stani, but Stani itself is undergoing change. It undergo change. After that, you add the Atagama. Then Atagama, when you add A plus I, Atashya Vriddhi will happen. A plus I anyway is Vriddhi only. That's fine. But we have to apply not Vriddhi Rechi, Atashya. So A plus I is I, right? Therefore, Tanu plus I, Tanu
And
plus I,
Sandeep. And
yes.
why?
Why? What?
Yes.
Tanu plus I, then why?
Tanvai.
Tanvai.
Tanu plus I? Yes. Tanvai, right? You are forgetting another point. Aduttamasya picture, I said. Picture. It's a pitta.
So Angakayo happen.
Sarvadhatuka Adadhatuka Yoho. Angaka U becomes Tanavai. The form is Tanavai. I know the form is Tanavai. That's what I was thinking. When you say Tanvai, Tanavai. So O. Then Ayadi Sandhi. Tanav. Tanavai. Not Tanvai. So this point, all the points you need to remember. Atagama, see, when I say Atagama, it is together with the picture, right? Atagama and Pittam is extended for all the Uttama Purusha Pratyaya, both Parasmi Pada, Atmane Pada, Tanavai. Okay.
Okay.
Same thing for Dvivachanam. Tan plus lot. Dvivachana pratyaya vahi. Vahi will become titah atmanepadanam. Okay. Before that, you can do sarvadhatika, katri sarvadhatike, taradibhyaha,
U.
u. Therefore, tan plus u. Tan plus u is tanu. This also adadatka pratyaya, but you have to see whether Angakarya possible, not possible. That is why I'm just adding. The Angakarya not possible, therefore adding. Then titah atmanepadanam tere, he becomes T letter. He becomes A. Then yetaha I apply. Becomes A becomes I. Aduttamasya picture, Atagama, this will be deemed to be pith. Then Tanu, Sarvadhatuka, Adadhatuka, Yoho becomes, okay, Atashta Vriddhi you apply, don't forget that. But Vriddhi, will it applicable here? No. Atashta Vriddhi not possible. Sorry, this is my mistake, copy paste problem. This is not a vowel. Atagama comes. Atagama comes by what sutra? Aduttamasya picture. Please note, okay. Don't confuse with the Lang Lakara Atagama comes. That is by sutra. Lang lung ringshu at udataha. Adajadina, that is different. This atagama is different. You understand? Don't confuse that. That is for lang lakara ajadi dhatu taking atagama. Here there is no condition, it is ajadi. Therefore atagama must come. But atashya vriddhi will not apply. Atashya vriddhi, when it will apply? When atagama followed by vowel, then pura parayogastane vriddhihi adesha bhavati. Here para letter is consonant. Atashya vriddhi, will it apply? Yes or no? Hello?
Um,
Will it apply or not?
I'm not applied, but I cannot understand because this is only if vowel.
Vowel? What vowel?
Because in the previous example, vowel was there.
Yeah, therefore atashya vriddhi we apply.
But here atashta will not, because U is not, will not be vriddhi.
Atashya cannot be applied. Atashya, what is the condition? Please see the sutra. Atashya.
We have the preceding must be a.
Preceding is a is there. Following must be a vowel. Right?
Yes.
The following
Yes.
is not a vowel. It's a consonant. How can you apply atashya vriddhi? Atagama will come. But atashya vriddhi cannot be applied. Okay. The copy paste problem. Okay. Let us remove that. And this is pitta. Therefore, Tanu will become Tano. Sarvadhatika, Adadhatika, 1384. Then Ayadi Sandhi. O plus A. O will become Tanav. Tanava Bahi. Right? So that is the form. Understand? So what I was telling is, don't confuse this art with the Atagama, which is applied for Lang Lakara. Ajadi Dhat. That is different.
Yes.
That case only
Okay.
we have seen an example Atashya Vriddhi in our sutra. That case only we have seen. Here also, this example also can be copied there. In fact, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam example also, where Atashya Vriddhi applied. It's also it's an example. But we cannot, this example cannot be there in Sandhi, because when we saw Sandhi, that time we don't know this Tinganta. That is why Sandhi context only Lang Lakara example I gave. But this is also possible, I'm saying. If you want, you can copy this example also under Atashya Vriddhi. It is for Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, it is applied. Atmanepada Pratyaya Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam Atashya Vriddhi. Whereas Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam, it is not possible because it Pratyaya begins with a consonant. Atashya Vriddhi is not applicable, right? Now, similarly, the Uttama Purusha, Tane plus Lot, Pratyaya is Mahing. So, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Kartari Sarvadhatike, Tanadibhyaha Uhu. Then Tita Atmane Padanam Tere. Mahi will become Mahe. Eta I. By that Mahi. Then Aruttamasya picture. Atagama will come. And this will be deemed to be Pitta. Then Tanu plus Su. Tanu is the Anga. What is Anga? Yasmat Pratyaya Vidigi Tadadi Pratyaya Angam. Anga ending with ik letter. Therefore, ik lakshana gunavriddhi, ego gunavriddhi. By that paribhasha and by the sutra, Sarvadhatika Adhadatika Yoho, who will become O. Right? Atashta vriddhi not applicable. So therefore, Tano. Then Ayadi Sandhi, Tanav, Tanava Mahai, Tanava Mahai. So now we have done all the forms in fact Tanu Dhatu. Parasmai Pada forms, Parasmai Pada form of the Dhatu, we have done. Atmane Pada also now we have done. Okay. Parasmai Pada Pratyaya we have done. For the example, you please see, we have done. So for the entire Tandatu Rupam, it's done. Tanotu, Tanutam, Tanvantu, Tu Tamantu. Then that he, what happened to that he? What happened to the he? He should be there, right? Ato he goes away. But here, we have not seen the sutra. We have not seen the sutra. There also. So, okay. You understand?
Yes.
The sutra, I mean, that sutra corresponding to that we have not seen. It's okay. We'll see that later. But we have mentioned that he for the say he apicha by that sutra, say that is C is replaced by he. And the he will go away for adantanga. That's why we have patatu patatam patantu patha. Right? But what about for here? Lotlaka tandatu, which is eighth conjugation. There also it goes away, but sutra we have not seen. The sutra will come later. So don't worry. But that when we see ninth conjugation, that time will come. In fact, that sutra I have written in our sutra list. It comes later. This is a sutra. Utascha pratyat asanyoga purvat. This is all deal with change happening to he. Lot lakara is very specific. That we will see. When we see this the time, you know why it is tanu. Okay. The same thing I told that time also. So tanotu, tanutam, tanmantu, tanu, tanutam, tanuta, tascha samipam, tantantamaha. Then aruttamasya picture, everything will get atagama, mer nihi, right?
Yes.
Then lotaha langvat, by that 3499 and 34101 is common. Therefore, uttamasya sakarasya lopaha bhavati. What is the sutra? Nityam gitaha, right? By that. Uttama purushasya sakarasya lopaha bhavati. Therefore, tanavani, that vas and mas sakara goes away like lang lakara. And Atmanepada Pratyaya, all the forms just now we derived Tanutam, Tanvatam, Tanvatam, Tanushva, Tanvatam, Tanudvam in the previous class we did. And now Etaha I by that sutra. Of course, Aruttamasya picture. Then Atashya Vriddhi for Ekavachanam. And Angakarya followed by Ayadi Sandhi. We get the form Tanavai, Tanavavahi, Tanavamahi. Therefore, the entire Tandato Lotlakara Rupani we have seen. Okay.
Yes.
I just took Tandatu. We can take some other Dhatu also. Okay, suppose I just copy this. You tell me. No, I'm not going to do. You do the calculation mentally. This is for the Tandatu. I'll give another dhatu. Tan dhatoho lot rupani. Okay. Lot rupani, tan dhatu, 8th conjugation. But we can do first conjugation where we don't have any complication there. So ni dhatu is ubhayapadi. First conjugation. Now you tell me the form. What will be the load form? Parasmai pada as well as Atmane pada. You have got all the sutra. This is Parasmai pada rupam, Atmane pada rupam.
Yes.
Okay. Can you try? Tell. Ni dhatu,
Ni
first
is,
conjugation. Bhadigana. Ganavikana is
Shap.
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 Therefore, ni plus shap. What first you do? Ni plus shap. What will happen? Sarvadhatu ke pratyaya pare shap comes. Huh?
Naya.
Yeah.
Yeah, ni will become ne. Sarvadhatu ka adhatu ka yogo. Ne plus shap. Naya is
Naya.
So
Yes.
Naya is the anga. Now, whatever it may be, no, the pratyaya. Naya is the anga what you have. Naya plus
Naya
then
too.
pratyaya is
Pitaha.
Lotaha.
Atmana.
What happened? Pratyaya is Lotaha Langvat.
Yes.
Therefore, T, E, and Yeruhu will apply Nayatu. Right? Nayatu, then here, Tastamipam Tantan Tamaha. Naya,
Yeah.
Pratyaya was Tas. Tas will be replaced by
Tam.
Tam. So Naya Tam. And here, Naya plus
Anti.
two Tam, Antu, not Anti.
Antu.
What's Anti? Pararupa. Patogune.
Nirvasana. Yes.
Nayantu. Right?
Yes.
Then Nayatu Nayatam Nayantu. The Naya plus Sehi, a picture. What will happen to he?
No.
Goes away.
Only Naya.
Goes away. And here it is Naya plus Thas. Yeah. Will be replaced by Tham.
Tam.
And here Tha will be replaced by Tastamipam. Tha. Right?
Tam.
And here
Yes.
Mer Nihi. Ni is replaced by Ni and Atagama will come. Therefore, Ani is there. Naya plus Ani. Ni plus Shap plus Ani. What will happen? Nayani only. Even though this is a set, but no Angakarya possible because this is Adantanga, right? Nayani. Similarly here. Naya plus Ava will become
Nayapa.
Nayava. And Nayani, Nayava,
Nayam.
Nayama, right? Atmanepada. Atmanepada tell. Now just so we saw, Titakatmanepada nam te re.
Yes.
Te. Te is replaced by the ye comes and Ametaha.
Ni.
So therefore Am. Tam. Therefore Naya. Naya will become
Naya Tam.
Nayatam. And here Atam. Atam will become Ate Titakatmane Padanam Tere. And ye will be replaced by Ametaha. So back to Atam only. So Naya plus Atam.
Nayatam.
Nayatam.
Tam.
Nayatam.
Yes.
Then here it is
Here is Jah.
G. G is replaced by Anti. Anti will be, sorry, yeah, this is Adantanga. Therefore, Ante. Ante will be replaced, A is replaced by Am. Antam. Therefore, Naya plus Antam.
Nayatam.
Nayantam.
Nayantam.
Not
Nayantam.
Nayantam. Atogune, sir.
Yes.
Not Nayantam. Okay. So, Nayatam. Sorry, not Nayatam. Okay, here I made a mistake. Nobody, you didn't tell me. Naya plus Atam, how will be Nayatam? This is Adantanga followed by E. Ato Yeyaha will apply. Don't forget that.
Yes.
That's wrong. A is replaced by Ye. And Yakara is Lopo, Vyosvali, Yakara goes away. Therefore, Itam. A plus E become Gunasandhi. Ye. Nayatam, Nayetam, Nayantam. Not Nayatam. Where is Nayatam? Huh? The language is not there. We cannot invent something new. Then here, Uttama Purusha, Pratyaya is Tavabhyam Vamau. By that,
Swa.
yeah, Ye. The Sakara followed by Ye.
Yes.
That Ye is replaced by Va. Therefore, we get Swa. And we have Naya, Naya Swa. Sakara will not undergo Shatvam. Naya Swa. Then here also the same thing. Here also it becomes Atam, Ato Yeyaha, Itam, Naya plus Itam, Nayetam. Right? And here also
Yes.
Naya plus Dvam. Dvam will be replaced with Titahatmane Padanam Tere, Ye. And Ye following Savabhyam Vamu, Ye will be replaced by Therefore we have again back to the same thing, Dvam. Therefore we have Nayadvam. Right?
Yes.
All these things you have to try. You can mentally you have to do calculations. Then Uttama Purusha will be Naya plus Atagama comes, right? For the Pratyaya, what is the Pratyaya? E will become A and Yetaha I, A plus I, attached with the I, Naya plus I again. A plus I is Vriddhi only. See how many sandhis happen. See, previously it was A is replaced by I, Atagama, then attached with the again I, then A plus A plus I, again I. Naya,
Yes.
right? So how many times that happens, you see, right? Naya. Then here also A plus Vahi, Naya plus A Vahi, Naya, Naya Vahi. Similarly, here is Naya Mahi. Got it? So first conjugation you can do. Similarly, you try. Take Pachdhatu as in homework. Pachdhatu is Ubepadi, Dupachash. You can try.
Okay.
Dhatu is simple only. Pachdhatu, the form if you see. Dupachash. What is the form? You do, sir. You do the elaborately. You have to do all the steps. But here I will just do it quickly. Pachatu,
Pachatu, Pachatam, Pachantu.
Pachdam, Pachantu. Then
Pach.
Pacha,
Pachatam.
Pachatam, Pachata. Then
Pachani. Pachama.
Pachani,
Pachama.
Pachama. Color indication is very clear. See, this is Ajadi Pratyaya, the Pratyaya, that's why this color. Then Pachatam, Pacha plus Itam, Pachetam, Pacha plus Antam, Pachantam. Similarly here, Pacha plus Sva, Pachasva. Pachetam, Pachadvam. Aham Pachai. May I cook? May I cook? Or can I cook? Pachai, Pachavahi, Pachamahi. Okay.
Okay. But there, I think This dhatu only Parasmaipada Rupa is there?
Which one?
Or Naya and Pacha?
No, but the Ubhayapadi.
Oh,
Dhatu is
Ubhayapadi.
Ubhayapadi.
Oh.
First conjugation. It is easy. That's why we took this. But I had taken this before. Anyway. Next one is next sutra. Tukhyo statang ashishanyatarasyam. So Ashishi is Ashir Lot. Lot is there. Why? Where is Lot? How do you know this is for Lot Lakara? Lot, see, this is Sutra in 7135. 7135, see the Sutra Pata, there is no Lot and all. Please see the Sutra Pata.
This is because of two?
Exactly, good. Tu and he. It is only for Lot Lakara only we have the Pratyaya, tu and he, not for any other, right? Tu by Eruhu,
Yes.
he by Sehehi Apicha. Therefore, it is for Lot Lakara Parasmepada Pratyaya. And that is replaced by, that is Yadesha. Tukhyoho is Yadesha, replaced by Tatang. For what? Ashishi. Therefore, Ashir Lot. For Ashir Lot, optionally, tu and he is replaced by Tatang. Okay.
Okay.
Tatang is what type of Adesha?
Type of Adesha.
Nit Adesha. If it is Nit Adesha, where it will come the Adesha? Antyasya, Nitcha Paribhasha. Alontyasya, right? But here it is not, Nakara is not for that purpose. It's meaningless. Here, tu, Anekal Sthani is replaced by the entire Tatang. Content is Tat. Akara is Ucharanatam and Nakara is It letter. The It letter here is not for Antyadesha. About that, I have written a very long explanation. I will explain that. You have seen that already. I taught you. You will see now. So Tugyoho Tatang Adesha Bhavati Ashishi optionally Anitarasyam. Tugyoho Tatang Ashishi Vidhi Sutram. Ashishi Vishaye, Ashishi Lot Vishaye. We don't not mention, we can understand because it is for tu and he. So if you want, you can say Ashishi Lot Vishaye. The Lot we can supply.
Okay.
Tu and he iti etayoho stanayoho stane, right? Stanayoho tatang adesha vikalpena bhavati option. Therefore, we have two forms for Ashir Lot. This is the only thing Ashir Lot is. Other forms are same. So it's suppose we have Ashir here. Pachatu pachatam pachatu pachatat pachatam pachantu pacha pachatat pachatam pachata pachani pachava pachava. Only these two alone will change for Ashir Lot. Rest of them are same. Ashir Lot, we don't count as separate lakara. If we count, then we have 12 lakaras. But we don't count as separate lakara, Ashir Lot.
Okay.
So, tu and e iti etayoho ashishi vishaye tatang adesha bhavati vikalpena anitarasya. Ashishi, benediction, wish or blessing, the sense of blessing or wishing that Ashir Lot, Ashishi ling loto. So, in the sense of benediction or wishing, ling lakara, lot lakara will come. This already we have seen 173. And lot pratyaya, tu and he, optionally replaced by tatang. Now the question comes, tatang is anekal, adesha, and also nit. Therefore, what will happen if it is nit? Should it not be antyadesha by nitya paribhasha? Right? Nitya paribhasha. Anekal, if it is anekal sit sarvasya, by that sutra, entire sthani is replaced by. But it is a nitadesha. Nitadesha means antyasya. Therefore, by nitya paribhasha, which is a purva apavada to the sutram anekal sit sarvasya paribhasha sutram. Right? So, therefore, the last letter of the sthani, that is in our case, tu and e, they are supposed to be replaced by tat. But here, right? But if you make it, it will lead to anartham. Anartham means the form is not desirable. We want the entire sthani to be replaced by tat. Therefore, Nyakara is not for the purpose of Antyadesha. It is for some other purpose. That is what we have to understand. We have to explain what is the purpose of Nyakara. Nyakara is not for Antyadesha by the sutra Ngicha. If the Antyadesha is, then what will happen? Suppose tu is there. The u is replaced by tat. Then you will have form like this. This is Anishta Rupam. Similarly, he is there. Madhyama Purusha. That E, Hakara plus he is replaced by tat. Then you will have form like this. This is not desirable form. This is not Ishtarupam. The language we don't have like that. Therefore, in the Adesha Hakara is not for Antyadesha. It is for some other purpose. What is the purpose if you ask? Why we don't apply Nicha? Because we say
maybe because not to do Angakarya.
Yes, it has got Charitartha, the purpose, the utility in the form of negation of Gunavriddhi Angakarya. That is why it is there. So Nitha, when the Pratyaya is Nitha, then Angakarya will not happen. Right? So now, therefore, if you take the previous example itself here, first conjugation Adantanga ruled out. But what about this conjugation? Tanu plus, and that Tanu the Pratyaya is 2. 2 will be replaced by now Tat. 2 is Sarvadhartika Pit. What about Tat? Tat is a Ngit. Therefore, U will not become O. Therefore, we will have Tanutat. For that purpose only, the Tatang, that Nakara is there as the it letter. You follow? Similarly, here also, it is Tanutat. And Tanutat is a Padam. So, Padanta Jal can be replaced by optionally by Jash. Therefore, we have two forms, Tanutat or Tanutad. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
And also by Chartam too. Baba Vasane. Vavasane, you can have this also. So this Takara by Vavasane and Takara by Jalamjashonte. So we have two forms. Okay, anyway, that form I remove it. So the space is look ugly. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Similarly, here also Nayatu will become, we have two forms. Naya, Ta. Anyway, here it is Angakari not possible because Anga ending with A only. Whereas in this case, Anga ending with U. Therefore, Angakarya possible, but Tatang being in it, Pratyaya, therefore Angakarya is negated. But U will not become O, like in this case. Okay. So Nayatu, Nayatat, that is called Ashir load. Similarly, Pachatu, Pachatat, Pacha, Pachatat. Okay. So that is what is given. I given the example here. Therefore, explanation is given here. The Nyat in the Sutra finds Charitartha. Charitartha means some purpose is there. Utility is there in the form of negation of Guna and Vriddhi. Therefore, since it has a use, therefore we don't have to apply Nicha Paribhasha. That is not the purpose. Here the It letter, Nit is not for the purpose of applying Nicha Paribhasha, but it is for negating the Guna Vriddhi Adesha. Okay. Now, an example, Jeev Dhatu, Jiva, Prana Dharane, Jiva plus load, first conjugation, Jiva plus tip. Apply, this is Sarvadhatuka Pratyas, Kartari Sarvadhatike, Shap will come. G plus Shap is Jiva. And T, Lotlakara Vishaye, Yeruhu, becomes 2. Now 2 is replaced by the Sutra. The entire Sthani is replaced by Anekal Adesha. You have to take it as an Anekal Adesha. tat. So jiva plus tat. Jiva plus tat and jalam jashonte. Okay, I'll write one more step. Jiva plus tat. Then jalam jashonte, tat will become tad and vavasane. Here G plus here itself Y. Okay, I'll join this. Jiva plus tad. Then Jiva plus tad. Then vavasane jivatat. So two forms. So we have two forms. So one is jivatat. Other one is jivatat. Right?
Right. Nice. Jivatat.
Okay. Next one is ling lakara. I think ling lakara we will see in the next class. I've completed all the sutras. I've given very elaborately written what about ling lakara. This is the completed updated notes. What is ling lakara in detail? I have written so many things. You can go through the write-up when you have time. We will do it in the class, maybe next class. So I have written very elaborately what happens to the pratyas in both Parashim Pada, Pada. If I explain, it will take time. I don't want to do it halfway. Then comes our sutra. You apply whatever it is, the write-up. And finally, we can take some examples and one dhatu, apply all. Parashim Pada, Pada Pratya, we can. One Parashmi Padi dhatu, Atmane Padi dhatu, we can do. So the entire ling is done.
Nice.
Ling Udaharanam we will do in the class. I have not given example Ling Udaharanam, but about ling, the write-up is done. So if I start explaining now, it will take time. I cannot leave it halfway. So we will see the next class.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have time? 10 minutes?
Yes.
I don't want 10 minutes. It will take time. See.
I need to go out.
Yeah, okay. So we will stop here then. We got another only 3 minutes for 3:30. We will stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. This is the updated one. So these notes I'll send it to you. Please go through this.
Thank you so much.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.